IGS's Cetek offering is a world leader in ceramics technology, in know-how around fired heater and process optimization, and we improve the reliability, the operation, and the productivity of fired heaters all around the world.
What happens to the refinery is over time there's a natural accumulation of fouling and scale which starts to curtail their efficiency. By using these coatings, we can keep those process tubes in a like-new condition for multiple turnaround years.
When we apply the Cetek range of ceramics to tubes, say in a fired heater, they give you the ability not just to protect your tube material, but they give you the ability to get increased performance out of them because we've got more heat conduction through the ceramic. With Cetek, we're doing work mainly in turnarounds. With hot-tek, we're intervening while the equipment is running.
The hot-tek services were specifically built to complement customers that were not able to shut down the units. We can make a meaningful difference so they can continue operating until the next turnaround. At the end of the day, these facilities are built to make barrels per day, and we're there to help them maintain that kind of a level of production in a safe way. And that's really what we're all about.